a program like this will be only Oshit. I only happen to be the conveyor. It is the course which is a magic. But yes, such a course cannot be imparted by anyone. God had bestowed me with the skills, with the attitude, with the determination, and with a sense of passion and commitment and perseverance, all that is needed to conduct this training course. That's my privilege. I'm not here to give a speech, because this is not a training floor. It's a family get-together. All the families are not having a roof like that. My family is under the blue sky. Although we don't meet very often, each one of you sincerely are the parts of my family. Each one. You do not know. Every day in my prayers, I pray for you. Just the way I pray for my family. That's not there with me now. Nobody gives speeches to the family, do they? So I'm not giving speech to you right now. I'm doing another thing. And that word suits the family spirit. Sharing. Like it?
Yes.
I will share something with you with responsibility. I've come here with responsibility. My only responsibility is to share with you something which had helped me to transform my life from the time we have not been meeting so frequently. That phase, how it has walked in my life in this interim period, how my life was transformed. I will tell you that. I will share that with you. I would request you to listen first-hand experience of a person whom you love, whom you trust, whom you believe so much. And I assure you, the way it has changed my life, if you get the message, it's going to change your life too. And that's my responsibility, with which I'm talking to you now. My dear friends. The service is stopped now?
अब मत जाना वहाँ.
Okay. The Creator who has created you, me, everyone, all the creations in this world, especially humans, as Bible says. God has created man after his own image. What is that image? That he has only conceived to give human beings, not animals, not vegetables, not minerals, not anyone else. What is that element which is called hunar? You may call it skill. Each one of us has one thing in us in which you are special, which you enjoy doing the most. For Suchitra, it is dance. He said, I am married to dance. Like each one of you have that. And when you believe in karma, you want to travel in that track, and then your karma will be done. In that particular track, when you have your specialization, you have your uniqueness. If you do any other things, you are wasting your time. Literally wasting your time. Because you are weak. You are a fugitive. You are running away from the realities of life. There is only one thing that you can do for which you are born. Complete that track. And then you have completed your karma. And until you do that, you may think that you are great. And my dear friend, this is not your life, which you often say it's your life. This is a life situation. A small part of your whole life. You are born on a day and you are dead on a day. That's not life. It's a bubble which is going to just bust. Finished. You have been there before. You are here now. You will be there later. And that together is life. It's a fleeting moments of reality of which we are parts. You consider this your life, and you are very smart, you don't do your karma. I tell you a small little anecdote, real life, before I get into what I want to talk. It might take some time, 15 minutes more. I was working with a gentleman. He called me for certain projects, and he was one of my clients. He was a senior vice president of DS Group. I have trained all their staffs, all their executives. And then he led that company. He was doing some other thing. He invited me for a talk, for a little discussion one day in his office in Pathos Enclave in Greater Kailash. His name is Ashok Agarwal, not this Ashok Agarwal. He respected me, loved me. In all his, wherever he traveled, he used me as a speaker, as a trainer, as a motivator. So he had some project, he called me. And I was sitting with him in his office in Pathos Enclave. One of his friends came. He was some chief, very, very senior man in Times of India. And he came and sat. I was sitting on the other side, sitting beside him. And Ashok was very excited to introduce me to this man. And he said these words, "Sir, I'm going to introduce you with a man who has the power. सोए हुए रक्षक को खड़ा कर सकता है, मैं उसे आपको मिलाऊंगा." And something very, very different about this man. Have you seen anybody who is working in Delhi for 25 years, he couldn't build his own house? He doesn't have his own car. And he is a person who can inspire thousands of people. I do not know, मैं रोऊं या हंसूं, मैं क्या करूं? तबीयत से प्यार से मेरा बाजा बजाया जा रहा है या मेरी तारीफ की जा रही है? मैं बड़ा peculiar embarrass हो गया और मैं करके बस थोड़े बहुत बाहर चला गया. And I was waiting for this man to go. I waited for 1 hour, burning inside, and I'm going to take this man now. When this Times of India guy went, and I went to Ashok Agarwal and I said, "Ashok ji, आपने कितने मकान बनाए?" अशोक, तो आप जानती हैं 3 मकान हैं, एक कालिंदी कुंज में है, एक नोएडा में है और एक उधर गुड़गांव में है. आपको किसने कहा मैंने मकान नहीं बनाया? एक मकान मैंने भी बनाया है, उधर जाके रहूंगा. आपने बनाया? एक मकान मैंने बनाया, उधर जाके रहूंगा मैं. है आपके पास कोई मकान? आपके क्रिएटर के नजदीक कोई कॉलोनी जहां आपको अलॉट किया गया कोई घर जहां आप जाके रहोगे, वो मकान आपको नहीं दिखाई देगा. मैंने बनाया वो, इसलिए इस मकान की कोई कीमत नहीं है मुझे. इसको कहते हैं गति. What is our गति? What is the culmination? अब आप क्या कर रहे हैं, उसका नतीजा आपके लाइफ में आना है. प्राप्य पुण्य कृताम लोकान उषित्वा शाश्वती समा सूचिनाम श्रीमताम गे योग भ्रष्ट विजायते. इस जीवन के जो भ्रष्ट अगले जीवन में उसी जोनी में पैदा होगा. ये प्रूव्ड हकीकत है. चर्च नहीं बिलीव करता था, आज करती है. ये हकीकत है. So if we are feeling that we are doing great because we got money, we got power, we got wealth, we got authorities in this world, that's not real life. How I realize this is now, I'm going to share that with you. I do not know, you might think it is a voodoo, but everything that I'm sharing with you in the name of God is a reality that happened with me. The last 2 years of my mother has been very, very horrific, horrible. She suffered from dementia, and she really tortured me, right, left and center. She happened to be the only person in my life. Can you think of a man who was living for only one person, my mother? I never realized it. I never realized it. And I had to work hard, and it is tough trackers and excellers who looked up on me. And I had to travel sometime. I had to ask Daya Shankar or Chaitali to come over and stay in my house when I go for tours for my corporate trainings, life was very difficult. I had to restrain myself. Then it became so difficult, I decided to shift over to a senior citizen home with my mom. And not an ordinary home, it was a better class home where I hired a room and there were 2 beds with all facilities. I was happy. My friends, Stub Trackers and Excelliers came and said, no, Ashik, you're not going to do that. That's not the address which we can write for you. You're not going to go. I said, shut up. I know my challenges, my problems. I make a decision, this is the right decision. I shifted over to that senior citizen home and I was very happy. There were people to look after my mother when I went out. There were facilities available for her. And then suddenly one day, when my chisel batch was going on, a batch for young children, 9 to 13 and 14 to 17, Lajpat Nagar was the place where I made a small office. That also was the courtesy of another great friend. Like many of you have been great friends in my life, you are. His name is Kapil Agrawal. And this man gave me his full house in Greater Kailash, where I made my own office. And I used to run my courses. You were gone there and you trained yourself. Ajay was trained there. We had a small room which we created a training center for 10 people. I used to do my 3-day, 4-day program and my team used to work there. My chisel batch was going on. I completed the batch and hired a cab and I was going to Rohini to the place where I stayed. I received a call from Chaitali who was with my mother. And my mother, Chaitali said in the morning when you went, your mother fell and these people, all of us took her to the nearby hospital. Mashima is no more. She has passed away. It was an experience, it was something which was very difficult for me to believe. My mother is not there. Strangely, as I always make people not to contact me when I'm in the training, so nobody dared to inform me anything. Nobody dared to tell me. 1 or 2 of them knew this whole thing. They wanted me to experience all by myself. So I didn't know anything. But I went there into Mahavir Jain Hospital in Rohini. I found the trackers and Excelliers standing there. They were already there. And I reached. I literally didn't have to touch my mother's body. Everything my people did. Like I remember when my father died, there were 80 people. And many of them drove from Chandigarh to be in the crematorium. I decided to cremate my mother on the same evening. I didn't realize what was to come after that. When I was returning, for the first time I felt that I'm alone in this world. There will be no reason for me to go back to that old age home. The whole purpose is gone. That vacuum, that emptiness made me crazy, made me mad. And I saw this strong man. I cried boisterously like a child. And I kept on crying for 7 days. People were crazy. For the first time I realized how important she was as a living body in my life. And there is no other person in the world for whom I will work. I have to only work for myself. It was a very strange kind of feeling and I couldn't reconcile. With all my spiritual growth and development, I couldn't reconcile with the idea that my mother is gone and I have nobody in this world. All the rituals were over. 10th of June. I closed my senior citizen home because I couldn't go there and stay in the same room where my mother was sleeping, right? I was so terrified with this experience. I paid off and I went to the place where my office and I used to sleep in the floor. And I went to Kapil, I said, over is over. I am not here anymore. Pack up. You were losing money. This property cost in South Delhi and you were given me free of cost. His wife Nana Abrol was to cook food for me. My food used to come from Kapil's house. And I stayed there for 1 year. You know why? This guy Kapil will not leave me. He said, Rashid, आप है तो मैं इस ऑफिस में आता हूँ, आप चले जाओगे तो मैं इसको बेच दूंगा, मैं इधर नहीं आऊंगा। अब चले गए थे 10 साल, I felt like an orphan. You got to be here. आपका इधर होना ही काफी है हमारे लिए। ये कपिल की बात मैं आपको सुना रहा हूं। मैं खींच दिया 1 साल नहीं, 1 साल से भी ज्यादा, 1.5 साल में मेरी मम्मी जाने के बाद मैं रहा। मेरी बैच नहीं लगती थी। अभी आइए असली बात में, बैच बनाना असंभव हो गया था। यूएक्सएल का बंदे नहीं मिलते। क्या यूएक्सएल करूंगा? छोटे मोटे 3 दिन के अच्छे कोर्स हमारे जो हमने डिजाइन किया, उसके लिए डिस्काउंट देने पड़ते थे और मेरा दिल जलता था। मैं जिस गुरु के पास पला हूं उसने जिंदगी में किसी को 1 पैसे की डिस्काउंट नहीं दी। उसका सगा भाई होगा, पैसे देके कोर्स करेगा। ये हमने सीखा था। आप लोग जिन्होंने कोर्स किया, आपने पूरा फीस 4,000 5,000 जो भी था वो दिए और आपने कोर्स किए। मैं पागल हो गया। मैंने दयाशंकर को, चैताली को, अमिता को, जितने भी हमारे स्टाफ है उनको बुलाया। एक दिन स्टारबक्स में बैठा और मैं बोला, माय हैंड्स आर अप, आई कैन नॉट डू दिस, माय ट्रेनिंग क्वालिटी विल बी affected. I don't do anything if the quality is hampered. I do it with my ability. I live life on my own terms. I will never compromise. I said, एडजस्टमेंट मैं कर सकता हूं, ये एडजस्टमेंट नहीं है, ये मॉरल कॉम्प्रोमाइज है, ये मैं नहीं करूंगा। मैं मुझे बहस तो नहीं लगी। मैंने कहा इसीलिए बुलाया, पैसे के बीच में लाना नहीं मुझे। मेरी रहने का जगह है, मेरी रोटी नैना अग्रवाल भेजती है, मुझे पैसा नहीं चाहिए। जो भी कमाना है आप लोग कमाओ, अपना सैलरी उससे उठाओ, मुझे पैसे देने की जरूरत नहीं है। इस तरह से 1.5 साल चला मैं, 1.5 years. A class 1 trainer, nobody knew the secret how I was living there, but I enjoyed when they said, okay, Ashit, I felt freedom, and I did my courses. Those are the time when this guy came in. He came and did these courses. They did not know what the reality is. I do not know what money you have paid. I don't know what money you have paid. I don't know. I did the training. एक दिन क्या हुआ, माँ याद आती थी, मैं बहुत रोता था। मैं सुबह उठ के मॉर्निंग वॉक करता था, सामने पार्क था। बहुत सुबह उठता हूँ मैं 4:30 बजे, 5 बजे मैं चला जाता हूँ। 5 o'clock, it was dark and there was not many people. I was walking. Suddenly I saw my mother right here on my right side. I said, I see. And she was smiling. There was no one in the park. I was walking. I was seeing she was walking. And the picture that I saw of my mother is not that old picture, or not that old age in which she was very young, very beautiful. Her smiles I saw as a small baby, and she was smiling. Something happened in course of the next 5 or 7 minutes. I don't know what. My mother told me a couple of things, and then she vanished. These are the things that my mother told me. I'm sharing with you. She said, अब तेरे साथ मेरी रिलेशन कंडीशनल नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं शरीर में नहीं। जब तक शरीर होता है बॉन्डेज कंडीशनल होती है। My love is pure. मैं ये बताने आई हूं, गौर से सुनो। I have not left you. I have relieved you. Because अभी आपको पता चल गया होगा आप किस तरह से बंदिश बने थे हमारी वजह से। आप अपने सपनों का गला घोंट दिया। अनविलिंगली सबसे पहले आपको मेरी देखभाल करनी पड़ती थी, उसके बाद आप अपना काम कर पाते थे। और मुझे पता है जितनी मेहनत से, जितनी ईमानदारी से आपने अपना काम किया है, उसका कोई रिवॉर्ड आज तक आपको नहीं मिला। अब बारी आ गई है। All the hard work that you have given, the rewards will start coming now. And I have been asked to relieve you from your responsibility of mine. And after this, my mother vanished. And I never met her after that. She never came back. I never cried for her. All my sorrows went off. Peculiar things started happening after that. Strange kind of books. Strange kinds of connections. Strange kinds of coincidences started happening. And the Ashit that you see is not the Ashit that you met last. I was refurbished, completely revamped, transformed. I believed and I learned firsthand how the universe works. मैंने बोला यूनिवर्सल कोर्स खत्म, उससे पहले, इस हादसे से पहले ये कोर्स नहीं होगा, ये कोर्स कोई नहीं करा सकता, किसी के पास वक्त नहीं है, दुनिया बदल गया है। इस दुनिया डिजिटल दुनिया है, इधर लोग 1-2 घंटे के लिए पैसे देते हैं। टोनी रॉबिन्स को, रॉबिन शर्मा को कोई लंबा कोर्स नहीं कर सकता। किसी के पास 12 क्लास करने के लिए 3 महीना नहीं है, ये कोर्स नहीं चलने वाला। चैताली के कोर्स बंद कर हो गया। मैंने कहा बहुत थक गया हूं, तो घर भी नहीं है मेरा, कहां जाऊं। सब बंद करके मैंने चैताली को कहा चल तेरे घर में रहेंगे। चैताली इज a one child of her parents and there was upper floor which used to be empty. Her parents respect me, love me because their daughter is working with me for 20 years now, from 1997. She did a course here at Chandigarh. She is a disciple of Sujita. She came to learn dance. I and Chaitali went there. When my tickets were booked, a strange thing happened. Are you listening? Are you with me totally?
Yes.
Strange thing happened. How many of you know Dayashankar? Okay. Now this guy suddenly gives me a call from somewhere. He was not working with me. He was working somewhere in Diwali or something, doing some classes for the schools. वो आया, कहीं से फोन किया मुझे, कहा आशित आपको मिलना है। मैंने कहा आजा, हम तो कलकत्ते जा रहे हैं। कब जा रहे हो? And next week my ticket was booked. We were going, and I was staying in Santnagar in a house which I told. I said, चलो इसको आकर के छोड़ देंगे, 2 महीना रेंट देंगे। When you come back, I will leave this house. I will do something here. I will go to Shantiniketan once again. Next morning, Dayashankar came and he was sitting down here in a small that plastic dining table that I have. And he was sitting down, I was sitting down. He said, Ashit, मैं बहुत छोटा आदमी हूँ, मैं इधर से नहीं हिलूंगा, आपको एक कमिटमेंट करनी है। मैंने कहा ऐसा नहीं है, सबसे पहले बताओ। मैंने कहा ठीक है, पर बता तो देता हूं, मैं हिलूंगा नहीं, आपसे वर्ड लेके जाना है, आपको करना है, आपके लिए बहुत जरूरत है। मैंने कहा क्या? उसने कहा विपासना, आपको विपासना करना है। पिछले 25 साल से मैं इस चीज को टाल रहा हूं, 20 साल से। कितने लोग हमारे पास आए, अशेत खरीद के किताब दे गए, कैसेट दे गए, ऑडियो दे गए, मुझे नहीं करना, मुझे कोई चीज की जरूरत नहीं। I have my connections and I'll live my life. Kept on disregarding all the abuse. This guy came and said, मैं उधर से आया हूँ और all the 10 days that I was there, I was only seeing your face. All the troubles that you were having in your life will be resolved. In his own strange way, he said this. I was so moved by this guy. And I told Chaitali, कहते हैं अभी तो कुछ काम नहीं है, we are going. जल्दी देख, नेट में देख, कोई सेंटर है क्या कलकत्ते में? Strangely, there was a Vipassana center in Kolkata, and a batch was to start just after we planned our ticket and we were to reach there. We booked ourselves. 10 days. I went to Vipassana. Now, if you feel tough track leadership training or UXL course is very tough, multiply the toughness with 10, and that is Vipassana. Okay? Don't go there unless you are determined. It is tortuous, really tortuous. 14 hours you got to sit down and meditate. Only for 2 minutes you will go out, once again you will go and meditate. All your things will be confiscated on the day one. Your pen, your paper, your mobile, तो दूर की बात है. कुछ नहीं, कोई किताब नहीं पढ़ सकते, आप किसी के आंख में देख नहीं सकते, कोई इशारा नहीं कर सकते, पेड़ पौधे चिड़िया आप देख नहीं सकते, अब ऐसे चलेंगे मेडिटेट करते हुए. Maddening, frightening. First 4 days it is so tortuous, absolute. But then something started happening. By the 10th day, I felt, my God, what's happening in my life? ये हो क्या? जैसे कि करंट फ्लो कर रहा है मेरे अंदर में, पैर से सर तक और सर से पैर तक, धड़ाधड़ दुनिया की अच्छे अच्छे रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर की संगीत फ्लो कर रहा है, सुचित्रा की नृत्य की डांस चल रहा है, हर बॉडी में, हर सेल के अंदर में नृत्य हो रही है. मुझे पागल हो गया मैं. 10 दिन बाद लोग पागल की तरह बोल रहे थे, जैसे कि कोई स्टीम बंद था, खोल दिया गया प्रेशर कुकर का. मेरी बोलती उसके बाद बंद. मैं आ गया घर चैताली के पास, उसके घर में. 7 days I hardly took. I sat, just blank, mind is not. After 7 days, I was sleeping at night. In the early morning, a very strange kind of thing in my head. I was seeing Vipassana here. I was seeing UXL here. I said, what? What's happening? Then in the center I discovered a thought. And that English word is engagement. उठ करके बैठ गया, मेरी कनेक्शन जुड़ गई दोनों चीज में से, और मैंने देखा, अरे 10 दिन तक तगड़े तगड़े उधर पता नहीं कितने अच्छे अच्छे बड़े बड़े फॉरेनर्स थे, कोई स्पेन से आए थे, कोई लंदन से आए थे. 10 दिन तक बंदे को पकड़ के रख देता है, 1 पैसा नहीं लेता. यू डोंट हैव टू पे एनीथिंग. 10 days आपको पूरी तरह से पकड़ के रख देता है, बंदा हिलता नहीं है, और जो कहते हैं वो ही करता है. फिर मुझे लगा, 10 दिन तक उसने मुझे एंगेज कर दिया, मैं भी तो 12 वीक तक बंदे को एंगेज कर देता हूं, उसका शट डाउन कर देता हूं, उसका जिंदगी में ताला लगा देता हूं, पागल की तरह दौड़ कराता हूं, जो मैं चाहता हूं बंदा वो करते हैं. कुछ लोगों को 4-5 सेशन के बाद मैं कहूं ऊपर से कूद जाओ तो कूद जाएगा. I got that word engage. With that, my paradigm started rotating backwards. And the whole idea came as a blueprint to me. I said, if one thing is required for transformation of people, that word is engagement. It is not a 1-hour talk or 2-hour talk, or it's a 3-day seminar which can create transformation. You can get claps. You can be a good talker. You can be appreciated as a knowledgeable man, as a person of wisdom. But people will not come after 20 years for one call just to spend an evening busy people like that. Why it is happening? Because of that engagement. You have said all these words. I was sitting down and listening, and I was just getting the reconfirmation of that concept. They are saying this because of the power of the course to engage them, to draw their full attention. Everything, तन, मन, धन, गुर्दा, कलेजा, फेफड़ा, सब कुछ इस कोर्स खींच लेती है. तब बंदे की ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है. फिर मैंने सोचा, ये मैं क्या कर रहा हूं? मेरा हुनर, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, वैसे एक ही काम कर सकता हूं, ये ट्रेनिंग दे सकता हूं. और मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता। और ये मेरा कर्म, ये साइकिल मैं बीच में छोड़ करके निकल जाऊं, ये कतई संभव नहीं है। मुझे लग रहा था कि यूनिवर्स मुझे जगा रहा है और मुझे बोल रहा है यही काम तू करेगा, मरते दम तक करेगा, और नहीं करेगा तो तेरी मुक्ति नहीं होगी, तेरी एनलाइटमेंट नहीं होगी, उधर ही रहेगा। अब अपुरेश के पास जाओगे, बोलोगे आपसे ट्रेनिंग लेना है, जैसा इसने अनुराग के पास जाकर के मेरे पास भागा। अब मेरी बात सुन करके अपुरेश के पास जाओगे, वो बोलेगा एक ही बंदा है उसके पास चला जाना, ही इज द ओनली गाय हु कैन डू। मैं ये काम कर सकता हूं। फिर अरे समझ गया हूं, ये मेरा कर्म है, ये कर्म मुझे करना है, करूं तो कैसे करूं? पिछले 1.5 साल से तो कर ही रहा था, कुछ भी तो नहीं हो रहा था, बंदे नहीं मिल रहे थे, रोटी खा रहे थे दूसरे का एहसान का। ये कोई जिंदगी है वाला? फटाक से मुझे आया तुझे करना है, बाकी मैं करूंगा। अनन्याश्चिन्तयन्तो माम ये जना पर्युपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहामि अहम्। तुझे सब कुछ छोड़ करके तेरी हुनर जहां है उधर जान लगाना है। ये वरीज एंजाइटी सब छोड़ दे, कायनात लग जाएगी। ठीक है ना? कब तक करूंगा? आई एम 67 years of age। एज एक हकीकत होती है। कब तक करूंगा? क्या फायदा होगा? अपना पेट भरने के लिए तो काम किया नहीं कभी। ये कह रहे हो मुझे जब तक जा कर ले तेरा काम हो जाएगा। दुनिया का क्या होगा, हमारे इस कोर्स का क्या होगा? ये सब कुछ नहीं है करके तो मैं बंद करके आया हूं। उसने बोला कुछ नहीं सोच, तुम शुरू करो, कतार लग जाएंगे पीछे, तुम्हारी लीगसी फिट हो जाएगी पीछे। कुछ नहीं, कहां थे ये सब लोग? कोई नहीं। मैं साला आ गया वापस, टिकट लेके चिंताली, और मैं तब मिला था इस बंदे को मैसेज मेरा, I have decided to do my last match in Delhi. ठीक है, Universe has ordered me. Last time I'm going to do it. Let's see what happens. अभी सुनते हो क्या? मैंने बोला 30,000 रुपया फीस लूंगा, बैच करूंगा। अब किसी बात की कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं होगी। 32 बंदे बैठे होंगे और हर बंदे चाहे मेरे क्लोज से क्लोज क्यों ना हो उसको फीस देके आना पड़ेगा।